Hello everybody, welcome to Kameoka, Japan. I'm Nate. I'm coming to you live from Nate's English Linguistic Research Laboratory. Today I want to talk about how to use two words that can be a little troublesome for people learning English. The words are some and any. If we were to open an English textbook, we would likely be told to use some in positive statements and to use any in negative statements or in questions. So for example, I have some beer, or I don't have any wine. This rule is often true, but it's not always true, which can be a little confusing for people learning English. Look at these sentences. I don't like some pop music. I like any pop music. Well, hold on. The textbook just told us that we're supposed to use some in positive statements. But here I'm saying I don't like some pop music. That's negative. And then here, we're told that we're supposed to use any in a negative statement. Well, here this is a positive statement because I'm saying I like any pop music. So there's nothing wrong with these sentences. These are perfectly good English sentences. The problem is with the rule. It's incomplete. So what we need is something that is more universal and we can use in any situation. Here it is. Some is equal to part, and any is equal to all or none. So let me show you what I mean. In this sentence, I like some pop. Okay, here we have a drawing of all the possible pop in the world. The red part is what I like, some of it. Over here, I don't like some pop. Okay, again, all of the possible pop in the world, and the red part is the some pop that I don't like. Over here, I like any pop. So out of all the possible pop in the world, you can see that it's all shaded. I'm talking about all cases of pop. I like it. I don't like any pop. Okay, so here's all the pop in the world. You can see I haven't selected any of it because I'm talking about none in this case. So when we use some in a sentence, we're referencing only part of all the possibilities. But if we use any in a sentence, we're going to be talking about either this case, all the possibilities, or this case, none of the possibilities. So that's it for today's lesson. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please make sure that you like, share, and comment on the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notifications so you don't miss any of the new videos coming up. Also, please make sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you want me to talk about in my next video. Nate's English is here to help. So, thank you very much, and I will see you next time.